In this chapter, we'll take a close look at the Spring Boot actuator. The actuator provides features that allow us to monitor and manage our applications via HTTP endpoints. These endpoints provide us with a variety of information about the application, such as what beans are used, what auto configuration is used, the status of the system. The endpoints also provide an easy mechanism for viewing log files or performing thread dumps. In general, the actuator is a great tool for developers to use to monitor their applications. As we work through this chapter, you're going to be exposed to many tools that allow you to monitor and manage your Spring Boot app. You'll see tools that allow you to view the log files, to run a thread dump, to see information about heap usage. There's all sorts of valuable information exposed by the actuator endpoints that we're going to explore in this chapter. We'll take a look at the most prominent and widely used endpoints of the actuator, and then we'll see how we can extend and customize these actuator services in order to satisfy custom needs that we may have for our applications. Many of the features of the actuator can be customized to change their behavior, and we can also provide our own implementations of some of the actuator beans in order to collect additional information about our application. And we'll even see how we can make our own custom endpoint that will be exposed as an HTTP resource on our actuator. So there are a lot of options with the actuator, and you'll notice that we can look at all of these endpoints. So this is the list of endpoints that are available to you as a developer by default. We'll take a look at the majority of these, paying very close attention to things like the health endpoint, the info endpoint, the metrics endpoint, and also taking a look at some of the very useful features such as the dump and trace endpoints. Also, remember you can build your own endpoints. So really the actuator is very extensible. It's a great tool for developers. And as you work through the chapter, you're going to see the actuator performing a lot of behaviors that you may have built into your own applications via custom code. So now you have this functionality via a nice standardized interface.